The oh, open and lock close.
The water's overflowing. Arranging.
So I don't see that because I can see it. It's
This. Here you go. Mommy, all of them?
Shada!
No.
Stop.
Are you playing?
Ay.
I like that bag. It's so cute. Okay, let's go. There's a paper. Wait. Oh, I can get the notebook here now, finally.
Okay.
Well, I'm just waiting for the new thing.
Babe, so I'm readying this, right? I'm almost done cleaning up. So I'm readying that one. So I said I feel so sorry for that thing. Look what I've done, babe. Chada! I'm so happy. It's so good, babe. It's so nice to have. Oh, open and lock close. And lock close. Wait. Okay, let's go.
Arranging. Okay, what else? Let's. sideways cake. Can I show what's in there first? Never spill, crack the floor of the cake. You'll be poor. No one spilled water. Wow, security. Yeah. I'm gonna go.
Oy. You see? You can still see everything, and I hate it. You see? You can still see the dirt inside. So now, I wanted to paint it white, so I don't see that. Because I can see it. It's
Ah, they're clear? Okay, but why would you take one of the containers? I take one of the containers. Amy. Yeah, keeps coming back. You're wasting things.
Ta-da!
I just put the jam on it. Don't forget. Are you playing?
Ay. Ah, stop. What is this? Help me to do all those. Oh, see, she did all of this. We're gonna go back if I'm just gonna do this.
I'm ready to fire. My hand is up. Oh! Throw it.
My God, I thought it was already. No. Why no
Vegetable.
no rice?
Babe, yes.
You started making me sad without rice. Ayan, very good.
Babe, rice
Legit.
here.
Legit Pinoy.
Uy.
Thank you guys for watching and see you again to our next vlog.